Today we are going to learn how to create a vector rope and convert to artistic brush to use it anytime. We will start with a reference photo from internet. Select Bezier tool and start adding points around the outer edges. Now double-click on Shape tool and convert to curve. Start dragging the lines and use node handles to fit on edges. Select nodes and click on Smooth node. Double-click to add extra nodes to fix the curves. Fix the opposite curve. Select Pick tool and drag with holding right mouse button. Release, copy here. Check if everything is okay. Delete the copy. Select Contour tool. Change offset to 1.5. Now select Pick tool, right click, break contour apart, select outer edge, press plus on keyboard to duplicate, shift and select inner edge, Ctrl+L to combine together, select Color Eyedropper tool, select color and fill combined shape. Select Bezier tool and draw a line. Double-click on Shape tool to select all nodes and convert to curve. Fit the line to path. Change width to cover color beneath. Now drag with holding right mouse button, release and copy here. Now drag with holding right mouse button, release and copy here. Ctrl+D to duplicate. Flip horizontally and vertically, then duplicate to other side. Now select all lines. Ctrl+L to combine together. Go to Object, convert outline to object. Add orange stroke and remove fill color. Now with Shape tool, fit the shapes on beneath image. We need one more, so select the nodes of the last shape, Ctrl+C to copy, Ctrl+V to paste. Now select Pick tool and move it down. Select all, Ctrl+L to combine. Select Color Eyedropper tool, select color and fill combined shape. Select outer shape, shift, then select new shape, trim. Delete extra nodes. Select both, remove stroke color. Select main shape and with Contour tool make 4 copies inside. Select Pick tool, right click, break contour apart. Now select previously created shapes, Ctrl+X to cut, go to new page, Ctrl+V to paste. Select Color Eyedropper tool, select color and fill starting from inner shape. Hold Shift to go back to pick color and fill the second shape. Repeat for others. Now bring back previous shapes. Select all and remove stroke. Ctrl+G to group. Now with right mouse button, click and hold, drag from corner node, hold Ctrl until snap to edge. Release button and select copy here. Now press Ctrl+D to duplicate. Select all, Ctrl+G to group. Now we want to create a realistic brush with our shape. Go to Window, Docker, Effects, Artistic Media. Now, as we can see, we opened Artistic Media Docker. Press Save, Brushes, OK. Select where you want to save, type a name and save. Now we can use our shape as an artistic brush. You can draw any shape, then press on the brush to apply it to your shape or path. You can select Shape tool and change the path at any time, and the effect will update automatically. But if you break artistic media apart, you can't edit the path anymore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or ideas, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.